Hey travelers, if this is your first time exploring the world, then listen up, because today I'm going to share 5 mistakes every first-time traveler should avoid. Trust me, avoiding these will make your trip a whole lot smoother. So, let's dive right in. First up, overpacking. We've all been there, stuffing our suitcases with things we think we might need, but never actually use. The reality? You don't need half of it. Stick to essentials, plan outfits you can mix and match, and leave some room for souvenirs. Less luggage, less stress. Mistake number 2, not checking your visa or passport requirements ahead of time. Imagine getting to the airport and being told you can't board because your passport is about to expire. Always double-check visa rules and make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel date. Mistake number 3, ignoring local culture and customs. Next up, ignoring local culture and customs. Every country has its own traditions, and what's normal in one place might be considered rude in another. Do a little research before you go. It'll help you avoid awkward situations and show respect for the people and places you're visiting. Mistake number 4, not keeping track of your budget. Another big mistake is not keeping track of your budget. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement and overspend on things like dining and shopping. Make a travel budget before you leave and stick to it. Use apps to track your expenses so you don't run out of money halfway through your trip. Mistake number 5, planning every single minute. And finally, planning every single minute of your trip. It's great to have a plan, but overscheduling leaves no room for spontaneity. Some of the best travel moments happen when you least expect them. Leave a little room for the unexpected. You'll thank yourself later. So there you have it, 5 mistakes every first-time traveler should avoid. If you follow these tips, I guarantee your first trip will be much more enjoyable and stress-free. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and adventures.